Greetings and welcome. In this video session, we will solve numerical on metacentric height.
Okay, so after covering of the metacentric height derivation, now we will have numerical. Write down the numerical. A block of wood of specific gravity, a block of wood of specific gravity 0.7 floats in water determine the metacentric height of the block of its size 2 meter into 1 meter into 0.8 meter. The size is what? Volume. Okay, so that is given 2 meter into 1 meter into 0.8 meter. And portion 2 meter into 1 meter is parallel to the water surface, and portion 2 meter into 1 meter is parallel to the water surface. Okay, so see here in this numerical, the floating object which is given, its orientation that we have to fix first. Okay, here this block is given, wooden block. For the understanding, I am drawing here three-dimensional view of this diagram. The dimensions are in this way. This is a 0.8 meter dimension. This is a 1 meter dimension, and this length is 2 meter. So in this way, this you have to take as a length. This you have to take as a width, means B. Okay, and this you have to take as a height, capital H. Okay, so here the orientation is given in this way, that 2 meter by 1 meter, 2 meter by 1 meter, that is a parallel to the water surface, means this surface which I have marked on the top. Okay, this surface is a parallel to the water surface. So that is why we have to show in this way diagram. Okay, so the floating body like this, and here you can show in this way diagram will come, orientation. Okay, so this is a free water surface. Okay, in this is a floating body. Wooden body or wooden block, wooden object, and its dimension that we have to take this as a what? 1 meter. Okay, this will be height, that is 0.8 meter, and in the top view here 1 meter by this is a 2 meter. Okay, this is what? Length. This is what? Width. Okay, so here this is the axis This is a axis. On this axis you can show here G point, that is the center of gravity, and this point is a center of buoyancy. Okay, so here first of all this distance is what? Depth of immersion. About this we have seen one lecture. Depth of immersion is a portion of the body immersed below the water or below the liquid. That is called as depth of immersion, that is small h. Okay, and point 8 is a capital H, means height. Okay, so from the diagram now you can first of all give the notations. Here we will have the point. At this point give the O, letter O at this point. So O into G, distance. OG will be what? Half of the height, and OB will be what? Half of the depth of immersion, because B point lies at the middle or 50% distance or half distance of H. Point number G lies at the half distance of the whole height. That definition we have seen. So first of all get clear, distance OG, that will be equal to what? 0.8 means h by 2, 0.4 meter distance OG. Okay, distance OB will be what? H by 2, but we don't know h currently. Okay, but we know the formula for the h. What is the formula? Depth of immersion. We have seen in a last some lecture. Okay, that is specific gravity of body divided by specific gravity of liquid into height, capital H. Okay, now in the numerical, specific gravity of body, specific gravity of this body SB is given 0.7. okay, and here this water, this is a fluid in which this body is floating, that is fluid what? Water. So water specific gravity is 1. Okay, so 0.7 divided by 1 into height 0.8. This calculation you do in the calculator. So we find this 0.56 H meter. Okay, now OB H by 2 means 0.56 divided by 2 means 0.28 meter. 0.28 meter. Now as per the definition, see point number B to G distance, this we need in the formula. Which formula? Metacentric height formula. GM is equal to I by V minus BG. So BG that we have to first of all find. So how to find BG? So from the diagram BG we can write, that is OG minus OB. Okay, OG, distance OG minus OB. Okay, that is why we have first of all calculated distance OG and distance OB. These two distances we need here to find BG. Okay, so 0.4 minus 0.28, it comes 0.12. So BG 0.12 meter. This we have got. Okay, so we calculated BG distance. Okay, BG distance we calculated, that is 0.12 meter we got. Okay, now as per the definition of metacentric height, GM is equal to what? BM minus bg. This is a basic definition. Okay, and as per the again derivation, bm is what? I by volume minus bg. Out of that, now this bg we have calculated, we have to calculate this I and volume. Okay, now for the volume formula is what? Length into breadth into height of the ship. Okay, length into breadth into height. Again we can take here for the understanding small diagram. So this is a length, this is a breadth, and this is a height. Okay, so here length is given how much? 2 meter. Width is given or breadth is given 1 meter, and height is 0.8 meter. So what volume comes? Just clear. Let me clear. This is a volume of the body. Okay, below the water. Okay, let me clear. This is the volume below water. That is very important. Volume below water. So L into B into H. H we have calculated. That H is a 0.56. Do the calculation now. How much comes? .12. Yes, 1.12 meter cube. Okay, so we got now volume. Now the part that is what? Only moment of inertia. Okay, so moment of inertia, for that remember, see, I will show you. Okay, this is a L, this is a B. Okay, so actually in the top view you see in this way. This is the length of the ship, this is the width of the ship, and this line is a axis. So what we have to do, we have to write moment of inertia formula. Okay, about this base. That is why we take in this way. So in this case, this as per the definition of MI, moment of inertia of a plane, the diagram which here L, B, this is the axis. Okay, so I will be what? LB cube upon 12. LB cube upon 12. L into this height. In the plan here, this L will be side and this will be B cube. That is very important. Okay, L into B cube by 12. Now put the values and do the calculation. Okay, so L is a 2 meter, width 1 meter, 2 into 1 cube by 12. So 2 divided by 12, that comes 0.167. Okay, and unit of this moment of inertia, m raised to 4. Okay, why? L meter, B cube means meter cube, meter into meter cube, meter raised to 4. I, moment of inertia. Okay, so now we have got all the values. So we will put here in the metacentric height formula, GM is equal to I is 0.167 divided by volume we calculated 1.12 minus BJ distance we calculated 0.12. So metacentric height comes by the calculation 0.029 meter. Now when this answer is coming positive, then we say metacentric height GM when comes is a positive. In that case we say that metacenter lies above center of gravity. Okay, then we say body is stable, body is in a stable equilibrium. Okay, about the condition we will see that in a detail in a theory after this numerical. Okay, so currently here as GM metacentric height is a positive value, metacentric height value is a positive, hence metacenter lies above G, metacenter lies above G, so body is stable, body is stable, body is stable. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the numerical and we have to give the statement, comment you say about the stability of the body. Okay,
So at the end of this session, you can solve numerical of metacentric height. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for further video sessions. Thank you.